Hello children, I am your teacher and today we are going to learn English. So till now we have learned till which letter? S, right? Last letter you learned was letter S, that is capital S and small s. Okay, so in the alphabets A, B, C, D, what comes after S? It is letter T, right? Now let us learn to write T, okay? So children, this is capital T and this is small t, okay? So how will you write T? This is capital T, okay? Let us trace. You will write draw a sleeping line and a standing line, okay? That is when you draw a sleeping line and a standing line, you will get capital T, and this like this, and the sleeping line will give you small letter t. So this is capital T and this is small letter t. So you have to trace using a crayons, okay? Just trace on it. Now here you can see picture of something that starts with T. What is this? Top, okay? T for top. Top is something you play with. It spins, right? Spins on the ground. So this is top. So that means T. Top starts with letter T. T for top. Now what is written over here? Teddy talked to a tiger today. So Teddy starts with T. Talked starts with T. Tiger starts with T. Today starts with T. Okay, so they have made a small sentence using all T words, that is Teddy, talked, tiger and today, okay? So the small sentence is Teddy talked to a tiger today. Teddy starts with T, talked starts with T, tiger starts with T and today starts with T, okay? Now what is given down here? You have to circle and count the words beginning with capital T and small t. Okay, let us see what is written over here. Tanmay took a truck to go to the temple, but he found that he could have taken a train there. Toot, toot. Okay, it is Tanmay. Tanmay starts with T. Tanmay is name. Okay, took starts with T. Truck. To starts with T. To the temple. To starts with T. The starts with T. Temple starts with T. But he found that starts with T. He could have taken starts with T. A train starts with T. There starts with T. Toot, toot, that's the sound, okay? Toot, toot, that also starts with T. So here they have already given the T words with in red color, okay? So they have first they have to circle and count the words beginning with capital T and small t. That means you have to circle all the T words, okay? To the temple, that taken train there, toot, toot. Okay, so I have circled all the T words, right? Now what we have to count, how many capital T's are there, okay? So first one, Tanmay starts with capital T. Then what else is there starting with capital T? Anything else? No. So yes, here, over here, toot starts with T. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 capital T's. Okay. Next, small letter T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 small letter T words are there and 3 capital letter T words. Okay, so we are learning capital and small letter T, right? So now let us learn to write. Okay, we are going to learn to write, that is trace and write capital and small letter T. Okay, so this they have given dots. First you will write on the dots. That is called tracing. Okay, this is capital T. This is small letter T. This is again capital T. And this is small letter T. Now, how will you write it? You will write like this. And the sleeping line. That is capital T. Standing line. Sleeping line. Capital T. Okay. Standing line and the sleeping line. Capital T. Now, small letter T. Here you have traced. How will you write? Like this. This is small letter T. Small letter T. Okay. Finish it. Then again this row you will write capital T. Sleeping line. First you will write the standing line. Okay. Standing line and the sleeping line. Finish it till down. Then this is small t. Same way you will finish. Now here you have stick a sticker. My name begins with letter T. So here you have two options here. You have picture of a bird. What is this? Quail, right? And here tomato. Which of these starts with T? Tomato. So take the picture of tomato and you will stick the sticker of tomato here. Tomato starts with which letter? T, right? We are learning letter T, right? Now let us go to the next page. Here, what we have to do? Look at each picture. Say its name aloud and trace its first letter. So here, what is this? Tiger. This is tiger. Tiger starts with which letter? It starts with letter T. Okay, so say tiger. Loudly say tiger and trace T. Okay. Next, tomato. Say tomato loudly. Tomato starts with T. Say tomato and trace T. Next one, television. Say television loudly. Television and trace T. Next, telephone. Say telephone loudly. Telephone and trace T. Okay. Tub. Say tub loudly and trace T. Next one, torch. Say torch loudly and trace T. So here you are tracing T for all the words which starts with T. And here you can see the picture of those words. Tiger, tomato, television, telephone, tub and torch. Okay.